Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a Shein haul, but before we get into the video, I will go ahead and let you know I will not be trying on most of these pieces in today's haul because it's too much pieces, and also it's pretty much repetitive. It's just the same item, mostly in the same color. So what I'll do is I will screen share from the website the model wearing the items. Hope that helps for you guys. As usual, all my sizes and links will be listed down below in the description box if you'd like to pick up any of these pieces. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Before we get into the video, guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the notification tab so you're notified anytime I post videos like this. So I will just start with some items that will make sense for you to pick up now. We're in between the weather. You need a lighter jacket. So I saw these. I don't have any in-between coats. I have like heavy, really light coats. I don't have anything for in-between. So I saw these. This is a cropped quilted jacket. It's pretty light. It will be really good like in a cooler day with some jeans and a t-shirt. You'll see how I put it together in the video. I will also show you how the model is pairing it. It's okay. It's not the best quality, but I mean, it's Shein. You cannot expect a lot from Shein. This item I got, I'm laughing, guys, because my daughter told me this is giving her Ninja Turtle vibes. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this jacket. Since she told me that, it's just stuck in my head, and anytime I put it on, that's just all I think about. But it was this jacket. I really was not expecting for it to be this shiny. It's a really nice jacket. I like the concept of it. I love the pockets. It's really nice, but I just feel like it's a little bit too shiny. It is a little bit on the heavier side. It's not much of a super light jacket, so this is not something I would recommend for like a 60-degree weather, maybe like a 40-50 degree weather. This will work pretty fine. Okay, so I also picked up some jeans, and I actually like how these fit a lot. I did size down with these jeans because I did notice last time I picked up some Shein jeans, I did pick up a size 8 and they were a bit on a bigger size, so I went ahead and I sized down. The first ones I'll start off with are these mom jeans. They are high-waisted mom jeans. It is pretty long. I'm 5'7" and it goes all the way down to my actually it goes all the way down to the heel of my feet, so it's pretty long. I really like how this fit. It's really fitted. It has no stretch to it, so if you're my size, I will just definitely say stay to size 6. If you're in between sizes like a 6 and 8, stay to size 6. 8, it may also fit you okay, but I don't know. Just like I said, last time I got a size 8 in Shein and it was pretty baggy on me, so I did size down with this a size. The other jeans that I got were these. What drew me to these were the style of it. I really liked how the waist is. It kind of gives you a bit of a paper bag effect without too much of the paper bag, if you get what I'm saying. I love that it has the little can you see the little stitching right here, so it gives you a bit more of a shape. These are also a size 6. I believe I got a size, I don't think it was even in size 6. I think it was like medium large. Yes, I got a M medium size 6. I could have sized up with this, but I actually do like how it fits. It fits very well. It cinches in your waist, so I really do like how it fit. There's this detail at the bottom where it's stitched, so it kind of comes in. It kind of gives you a tapered look, so it's more of a structured look, these jeans. So I picked up a lot of basics in this haul because I'm a basic girl. I love wearing t-shirts. I love dressing them up, dressing them down. That's just my style. I don't like too much color. That's just me. So I will start with some basics that I picked. Well, they're all basics, but I'll pick up with some loungewear that I picked up just to wear around in the house. I did pick up these t-shirts. They are on the crop side, regular sleeve length. I do like them, but they're very, very cropped. I would say if you have a long torso like I do, this will definitely be very cropped on you. It's a pretty good thick material. I don't know if you can see, you can't really see through it that much. It's pretty good. It's a decent material, can't complain. So I picked this up in a green, red, and a nude color. And it's just regular t-shirts. There's no snaps, not bodysuit. So the next items that I picked up are actually these t-shirt. This is not a t-shirt, bodysuit, but it's more of a longer arm. I love t-shirts like this. I feel like it just gives you more of a put together look as opposed to you just looking like you just put on t-shirt and jeans. I feel like this, I just love the look of this. I love the arms. I have broader shoulders, so I feel that it doesn't make my shoulder look as strong. So I did pick this up. I picked them up in a lot of colors. So this is a size medium. I did pick up a couple of them in a large. I think I picked up the white in a large. I don't know why I picked it up in a large. I normally size down in these type of items, but I picked it up in a large. It still fits the same. So in this one I got a nude color, a gray color, the white, which is a large, and I must say that this white, it's not too thin. You can get away with wearing I mean, still always wear like a nude or a black bra under your white shirts, but I don't think you'll see much through it. Like I still have my ring light on right now, and I feel like you can't see my hand, so it's not too thin. So the white, a blue, a navy blue, and like a wine red. And what I'll say about these, I do like how they did the snap, the bodysuit part of it. I do like it. They did it more of kind of like, it's not quite much of a thong style, but it is a thong style, so you would not see the lines too much. I did try it on with some of my jeans and I could not see where the line stopped, so that's really a good plus. So I also picked up similar to those same bodysuits, but instead of it coming up high neck like this one, it's more of a scoop neck, so you can't see it right here. So the neck on this one, it's scoop, so it's a lower cut neck. So I picked up just one of those in a black, and it has the same sleeves, the same long sleeves. The material on this, it's pretty much the same as that. It's pretty thick, it's not thin material, feels pretty good quality. I also picked up some long sleeve shirts. We are in between the weather right now, you know, a good long sleeve shirt, neck, and a cute lightweight jacket. It's the look right now. So I kind of got these. I will say the quality of these aren't the best. It's more on the thinner side, but I do like the idea of it. It's pretty cute. It's a mock neck. I love anything that's a mock neck. It is not a bodysuit, and they are very fitted. They fit really nicely. So I got that in a brown, I won't say white, it's more on the cream side, but like a cream white. It's supposed to be white, but it's more on the cream side. And I also got it in a black. So now we're gonna move on more to the tanks. These I will be able to compare it to some similar bodysuits that I do have from Zara. I will say that the quality of these are similar to my Zara quality. The only thing I will say with this one is that the Zara one, they kind of have like the built-in bra. It's not padded tank. This does not have it, but the material is as thick as the Zara material. I don't quite know how I feel about the bodysuit part because it seems pretty thick, and I feel like if you have on pretty tight jeans, you may be able to see the outline of it, and it's not thong style. It's more giving me like regular bikini panty style, so you may see the lines of the bodysuit when you are pairing these with jeans, so you will have to be very careful what you're pairing these with. If you pairing these with like let's say dress pants, you will definitely see the crease of these on there. So I do not recommend these for if you're planning to wear them with like those type of material. Jeans, you may get away with it, but if you're planning to wear it with more of like dress pants, maybe not wear it as a bodysuit, you just don't snap it. So I picked this up in a blue, this green, a gray color, and a lighter green. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the last couple set of items that I did pick up. I went ahead and I picked up some flats, just something you can, you know, throw on just to go about, run some errands, or even wear to work. So I picked up these slides. It has the square top and it has the braided effect going across. I did pick this up in a size 8.5. I probably could have gotten away with a size 8, but I did pick up a size 8.5. It's not too big, it's fine. The only reason why I'm saying I could have gotten a size 8 is because I don't like when you're walking and you're kind of like hearing the flap on your shoes, and it's given a bit of a flap. But it's fine because I feel like if I get an 8, it's possible it can be too tight. But for the most part, my feet isn't sliding around in it. It's just the noise that's just driving me a bit nuts. But it's pretty good. It's cushioned, so it's really soft. It's comfortable to walk in. I kind of wish this didn't say Shein right there, but I know if you wear it over time, it would eventually come off, so that's not much of a problem for me. I love the square toes. It's really cute and chic. So my last item will actually be these mules that I picked up. I actually picked these up for work, more of like an everyday wear in the summertime. I'll be honest with you guys, when I'm going to work, I'm a flat girl. I love my flat. I wear moccasins 100% of the time to work. So I picked up some slides just, you know, for those days where you don't want to wear your flats. So I picked these up. These are pretty cute. I love that it comes lower down to the back, so it's easier for you to walk in. When I say easy for you to walk in, they don't slide off your feet as much as, I don't know if you guys ever wore like the mules that's like, it's higher up this way, so they tend to slide off your feet. These don't slide off your feet. I walked around the house in them and they did not slide off my feet at all. So if you're like rushing to walk in them, they're not going to slide off your feet. I really like these. They're not as cushioned as those other flats were, but they're pretty comfortable. They're cute. I got these in a size 8. I do recommend these. It doesn't look cheap. It's pretty textured. I don't know if you can see, it's like really textured right there. Guys, thank you for tuning in. That's it for this video. As I said, all the links will be listed down below in the description box. Please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you're notified anytime I post videos like this. Thank you again for tuning in. Bye.